Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market today, and we are moving to the new contract. And this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 203 and it went up till 206, found various resistance and closed near 205.4 now. What we can do today in this new contract, so you could see that 206 had already acted as a resistance in this contract, and today the price is likely to open near or in between 205 and 206. So you can go for selling by placing stop loss near 207.5. But if the price is moving above 207, it also indicates there is some buying momentum. So you can reverse the position above 207.5 by placing stop loss near 205. You cannot take this 206 very easily. We need to take some risk in and around 206 in order to pick the trend. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.